Hi there everybody and welcome to another video. On this one I have this Mercedes S-Class W221 chassis 2012. I'm just going to change the wiper blades as they are really making a noise and wiping really horribly. Not wiping at all as we can see. So to wipe them, basically I'm just gonna switch them on, and as they are working, once they are up here, I'm going to switch off the ignition like so they can stay up in that position, so I can pull them open. And also I've got my new wiper blades here. These are the ones 27-inch. These are Bosch A947S. They're both the same size, and the way these come out is fairly simple. So once you got them up, twist it like that and slide it out. Just be careful not to drop this on the windscreen, as it can crack it. It's happened to me. I cracked my windscreen and then I was crying for months. So then we get the new wiper plate, and we're just gonna again slide it in there. Slide that in there and twist it, and that's it. It's a fairly simple one to do, really. Same for this one. Again, just be careful not to drop that arm onto the windscreen, and then we can get this one as well. Slide it in there. And bring that down. Oops, hang on. It's not sitting properly. Okay, there. There we are. So hopefully that should be much better. And it definitely is much better. So they're actually wiping. So once you've done that, you're pretty much done. So I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video.